Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. Aitada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. We are here at Lucas Mripe Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 7, Siwelele 4. My brother, how's it?
Saphila njani uhulumani?
Siyaphila man. Uzwa kanjani game namhlanje?
Game namhlanje uhulumani idlale kamnandi yabo. But mina ngizende wanje kuphela. Uzwana simfuna ku World Cup.
Why ningamfuni?
Uzwane ufile total.
Why usho kanje?
Ngizende indlela engibona ngakhona ngoba igame mina ngiyayifunda komqondo kade ngadlala ibhola. Kodwa into engithanda kakhulu cela nje asiyindaba kaZwane. Into engithanda kabuhlungu asiyindaba kaZwane. Yabona iPirate uhulumani, iPirate. Hayi iPirate yathatha league.
Yezani?
League.
Oh yeah.
Yes kodwa semaminzela.
Why ucabanga ukuthi iyayithatha league?
Mina ngiyabona lapha ngiphethe abafana abayi3 laba abayiscream key. Yeah. Lapha ngiphethe 3. Ngilebo mfukeni, a police Mrem. Umbathe lapho uyawazi vele lapha vele. Uyadokotela nje yabona. Asabashaya.
Nazo.
Boba nje emnyama.
Danke.
Ngiyabonga.